Alright, we are on excursion number 2. We're at a selfie lab. You'll be able to see some of the sets in the background. So the team and I are going to explore and see, I don't know, what they're all about. And then think about what we've learned from this immersive selfie lab experience. Welcome to our excursion where we're trying to learn about learning. And look at these two little hooligans. Hi! Hannah, what are you learning about learning getting out of this pool?
I just never want to get out. I never want to stop learning. I never want to get out.
What did you learn, girls?
Well, I loved how every room was a different world. So I feel like with our learning solutions, we could really create simulations and put people into another world. I just think it's super engaging being somewhere else that's not normal. And I think the really eye-catching sort of graphic design can have such a big impact too. Yeah, it was really cool.
Woo! And you, miss?
I liked all the interactions that they had, like the swing sets and the teddy bears and little diner setup with the cups and that kind of thing. I feel like it's more fun if there's something cool you can do. So I think for learning it's good to have hands-on experience or something you can do in the real world. That's not just sitting in front of the screen. Cute.
Well, they awkwardly get out of the pool. No, I won't do that to them. What did I learn? I learned the power of planning, because when you take the photos and you think in your imagination what is it going to be like, it doesn't always plan out. So you look at the photo and then you've got to think, oh no, we need to stand this way, we need to put the camera this way, and having a director is quite important. So just, I guess, the importance of planning for learning and thinking about what's the outcome you're trying to achieve. So I'll show you actually on one of these ones. They have, this is the room. It's kind of, you don't really know what you're meant to do, but up here they have a little photo that shows you the end result. So power of planning. Hope you enjoyed this excursion. I hope it brings value to you trying to do something for your learning solutions. Until next time, bye-bye. What's up, awesome human? Thank you, thank you, thank you on behalf of myself and the Belvista Studios team for continuously choosing to learn with us. We really appreciate it. If the tips and the insights and the context resonate with you and you want to take your skills to the next level, or you want to make your life way easier, you will love our Creator Hub. The Creator Hub is a place for people like you and us. Basically, it's the stuff that we use internally at Belvista Studios, and then we just share it publicly with you. The Creator Hub is created by instructional designers for instructional designers, and what you'll love there at the moment is we've got a quiz, Could I Be a Better Instructional Designer, that has so much tips in the feedback if you're interested in human-centered design or just taking your skills to the next level in terms of the solutions you're creating and the problems you want to solve. But in there as well, aren't we cute? That's us. But we've got the coaching courses, freebies, give us gratitude, and also we've got some templates. And basically they're always around the lens of learning experience design, instructional design, and e-learning. So a human-centered design focus is very much what we're about at Belvista Studios. So putting your learners at the heart of a solution and creating something for their needs. So there's the human-centered design stuff, and then we've also got the business stuff. So this is the stuff they don't teach you about when you want to become a freelancer or a consultant in the instructional design world. So go check it out. The link is in the description. You can check out everything that is available for you. Thank you for choosing to learn with us. Continuously invest in your skills. You will be rewarded as an instructional designer. Share this stuff, share it with other people, because when we are better instructional designers, we create better solutions that create better humans, that create a better world. So we have a very important role, and I'm excited to be on this journey with you. Have an awesome day.